The kids learning video is very popular on YouTube. Quickly dodging around YouTube. Many channels have 100,000 or even billion views and subscriber. Most of the channels are making videos in animation or cartoon style because kids love animation. What if you could create fun, educational cartoons that kids love and make them learn without even realizing it? Today, I'm going to show you how to bring imagination to life and animated a simple cartoons completely from scratch, even if you don't have any animating knowledge, only using AI. Let's dive into it. First of all, select a random topic. For examples, we want to make a video on fruits, so we need to create a script about fruits. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show, ChatGPT. This AI brother will help us with creating a script. After coming to ChatGPT, simply ask for 10 popular fruit names. And here it is. ChatGPT provided 10 fruits names. Now simply apply a prompt type based on each of these fruit. Now make each fruits introduce itself to our kids and share how to spell their names. Hit enter button and ChatGPT will gives us the whole story. Now it's better look freaking simple. If you want a more detailed scripts, simply ask ChatGPT for it. Ask him to write a detailed scripts for each fruits and hit enter. Alright, so now our scripts is ready to blown up. Hit right click and save it to your computer. Alright, so our script is ready. Now let's create the narration to this script. There are tons of AI can do this. Check out 11 Labs Speechify. They may be cheap for a subscription. All of them will let you try with free plans. But today I'm going to show you my second AI brother, PlayHT. After coming to AI website, quickly create an account. Then pass your story right here. You can select your AI voice by click here and listen to these sample. Pick your favorite one and hit apply to all paragraph and click confirm. Now hit the clock and modify your voice speeds.
No, but this is AI. It doesn't have the accent, the emotion, its sound doesn't grate. My voiceover will getting lame.
Nah, PlayHT has 2.0 version, which let you add emotion into your AI. Now select PlayHT 2.0 version, you will see a motion button. Quickly add whatever you want into your voiceover. If you feel your voiceover still lame, click the advanced button and try to modify the slider over and over again until you find your best one. Click generate button and leave the stage for our AI brother making our voiceover. After all that steps, hit the export. And now we have a really nice voiceover for our story. Now smash the like button and we will jump into next steps. We will animate it with a huge process. Now open any software you have and grab your pen. We're gonna draw a character models by AutoCAD, SketchUp, Rhino. No, I will take the easiest way to animate a character. Welcome to our show, Hyper AI. There are many AI lets you animated 3D videos out there. You can try out Runway, Pika Lab, Sora.
They don't have free plans. I want a completely free tool, unlimited and easy to use.
Okay. Hyper AI is a completely free tool. All of your tasks is given prompts and our AI will auto-analyze it into a video. But first, we need to create some prompts. Come back to ChatGPT and tell him to wrap our story into prompt. Now, you will see a wall of texts, and all of them are transferred into AI prompts, scenes by scenes. Turn back to Hyper AI. Quickly select Create Video with Text button, and simply paste all of ChatGPT prompts right here. Don't forget to select our duration and aspect ratio. Now with the Create button, and it's time for Miracle. I have to tell you guys that with Hyper Free Plan, we have to wait about 2 or 3 minutes to generate. Now our videos is ready. Hit the download and save it to your computer, but we need to make it become speakable. Now I will show you how to make our character speaking along to voiceover. First, open Canva and search for Lalamove Studio in App section. In Lalamove Studio, quickly upload your clip and your voiceover. Now hit the Create button and our clip is ready to fly. Definitely have to tell you guys something. After all of that steps, I'm just trying to make a cartoon only by AI, and it spent not too much time. But if you do all that steps and your cartoon doesn't great, keep rolling over and over again. Don't be confused and your results will be better and better.
One eternity later.
Now, watch this AI's cartoon made by my methods.
Surrounded by a dense forest, a young boy named Leo often wandered through the woods. One sunny afternoon, he heard a rustling in the bushes and cautiously approached. To his amazement, a majestic lion with a thorn in its paw lay there, whimpering in pain. Leo, with a gentle touch, removed the thorn from the lion's paw. From that day on, the boy and the lion became inseparable friends. They explored the forest together, sharing many adventures and protecting each other from dangers.